Progressive January 2026 dictation.
Be ready. Progressive dictation 12. Start. My government has worked continuously to strengthen the spirit of cooperative federalism enshrined in the Constitution. It has been the endeavor of the government to enable the state governments to undertake development work in their respective states in a more effective manner. In line with this objective, my government took the decision to provide the states with 10% additional share in taxes as per the recommendations of the Finance Commission. At this time, the whole world is talking about Kumbh underway in Prayagraj. For this colossal event, world-class infrastructure and other facilities on a permanent basis have been developed at a fast pace. The confluences of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati is setting an impressive example of cleanliness and modern management. Ganga is not just a river for us, but is like a mother of us, a living symbol of our culture and faith. To keep Ganga clean is our scared duty. Under the Namami Gange mission project worth 25,000 crore have been approved so far. My government is engaged with the task of cleaning up of the river Ganga by diverting dozens of major drains, stopping flow of industrial effluents, and by setting up several sewage treatment plants in the cities. Honorable members, every citizen and the government are duty bound to honor the contribution of national heroes, carrying forward the tradition of honoring the builders of modern India. My government has dedicated to the nation the National Salt Satyagraha Memorial at Dandi on the death anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Kranti Mandir, a museum in Delhi dedicated to Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, has been opened to the public. This month, the government has also instituted Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Disaster Management Award in his honor. The government has developed 5 scared places associated with Baba Saheb Ambedkar in Panchtirth. The nation has paid tribute to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Patel, by building the Statue of Unity, which is the tallest statue in the world. My government is setting up museums in various states in the memory of the country. Tribunal freedom fighters, my government has conferred the Bharat Ratna on Mahatma Madan Mohan Malviya and Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 2015. This year it has been decided to confer Bharat Ratna on Nanaji Deshmukh, Bhupen Hazarika and Pranab Mukherjee by conferring national awards on the basis of merit and without any discrimination to those citizens who have worked selflessly for the welfare of the people. My government has demonstrated country's commitment towards the ideal of sacrifice and service. This month, to commemorate the Prakash Parv of Guru Gobind Singh, the government has released a special coin. Stop.